Starting a new project shouldn't mean starting from scratch. With BioMetaAI, you can jumpstart your EDC specifications by simply uploading your existing Excel study sheet. Choose your product type and select a template that fits your therapeutic area. In seconds, our system parses your spreadsheet and builds a structured specification ready for action. Transparency is built into the workflow. You can download the Excel Data Dictionary at any time to share with clients for cross-checking or final approvals. It's the familiar format everyone knows, making the feedback loop faster and more collaborative. Before you incorporate external feedback, it's vital to protect your work. Save a control version of your original EDC specifications. This creates a secure, time-stamped baseline of your study before any modifications are applied. Got changes back from the client? No manual data entry required. Simply take that shared Excel sheet, complete with client edits, and use the Upload Excel feature. BioMetaAI intelligently reads the document and automatically adds any new fields or modifications directly into the system. Here's where it gets powerful. Once the new file is in, you can perform a version comparison between your original study and the new one with a single click. Every change, addition, or deletion is highlighted instantly. It's the most efficient way to track the evolution of your study and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. BioMetaAI, bridging the gap between the flexibility of Excel and the precision of a professional EDC build.